Alright people, well, I blew my clutch up. I was at the stunt lot practicing a roller and she went. So we're going to take the primary off and assess the damage. Jeez, that is crazy. Oh, there it is. Big ass chunk missing. So just to give you a better look, this is all the shit that fucking exploded and was just floating around in the primary. That is not good. You gotta take this nut off here. It's reverse threaded. Oh, she sounds fucked too. So this is the new hub I'm going to be using. In the winter, I think I'm going to upgrade to a Barnett. But for the time being, this will do just to get my bike back on the road. All these little fragments and stuff. I'm just going to clean up all those pieces that are in here. Alright, good morning, y'all. It's the next day. It rained yesterday, and it wasn't supposed to, so kind of fucked up my day. But I gotta get the bike finished before 11 because I got a memorial ride today, and so the bike gotta get finished. Alright, so I already got the basket back on. This bolt here, the reverse threaded bolt, I already have that on and tightened down. So now basically everything just goes back in reverse. So these were the stock springs, the stock pressure springs. I'm actually gonna try putting in the heavy duties now. So we'll put those on. And these get torqued down to, I think, 5-6 foot-pounds. Alright, so that's on. I'm gonna have to adjust this after. Alright, we're gonna put the tensioner back on now. These bolts get torqued down to about 15-19 foot-pounds. Shifter gasket goes on here. And then for the torque for these, I usually do like 115 inch-pounds. Alright, so primer is back on. Gonna fill her up and then run her for a bit, and then drain her, and then fill her back up again, and she's good to go. And also new derby cover gasket. Just gonna start her up, let her run for a bit, let everything circulate through, and then drain her out, and then I'll go back in, tighten up the adjuster, and then finish her up. Alright, so everything's back together, she's filled, nothing's leaking. I'm just basically putting her back together now. I already filled her up, ran her for a bit, drained it, and then I refilled it up again. I readjusted the clutch adjuster here. So everything's pretty much good to go. I just gotta put everything back and then take her for a test ride and see if she works. Hopefully. No, I'm kidding. Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. And alright, just take her for a test ride. Alright boys, we're done. Took her for a test ride. The clutch engage is perfectly fine. Even with the heavy springs that I put in, literally didn't make a difference on the clutch pull. So even better. And that's it.